Let's move on to the second part of the toolbar and continue the overview. This section of the toolbar presents the data in various displays. Let's first capture some data. Open the event display. You will recognize some of the icons as they are on the control window as well. The event window displays in hex and ASCII. If the hex data is highlighted, the corresponding ASCII data is as well, and vice versa. The event column is located on the left of the window. An event is anything that happens on the circuit which affects the data capture, such as data bytes, control signal changes, long and short breaks, and I/O setting changes as well. For example, the ending of a frame is an event and signified by the black flag. When an event is highlighted in the event display, a description will appear at the bottom left of the window. The event display also shows delta time and data rate once you select the data you want to calculate a delta time and rate for. It's displayed at the bottom of the window. Next on the toolbar is the frame display. The frame display is the most versatile display in regards to presenting the data. The frame display has a bar at the bottom of the window which shows total frames, frames filtered in, and frames selected. Total frames is the total number of frames in the capture file in real time. Frames filtered in is the total number of frames displayed in the filtered results from user-applied filters in real time. Frame number selected displays the highlighted frames selected, and the total number of selected frames are in parentheses. Let's visit the various ways data is displayed. Summary pane. The summary pane provides a one-line summary of every frame. By default, frames are sorted in ascending numerical sequence by frame number, but can be sorted by other columns. The summary pane can also filter on various protocols. In addition to the summary pane, there's the binary pane, the radix pane, the character pane, and the decode pane. All of the above panes are synchronized. Selecting an element in any one of the panes will highlight the corresponding element in all the other panes. The frame display and the event display are synchronized as well. In the radix and character panes, the character set can be changed by right-clicking on the pane. You may select a different format at any time. The frame display has three different views. The current view is the default. Another option is the summary pane. When selected, it displays on frame summaries. The third option expands the summary or decode screen, but maintains the summary, binary, radix, and character panes. The next display is Protocol Navigator. Again, you will recognize some of the icons on the toolbar. The Protocol Navigator main window shows the decode for more than one frame at a time and is the equivalent of the decode pane on the frame display, which also shows multiple frames. You can expand any collapsed frame or protocol layer by selecting the plus sign next to the frame number. Or by double-clicking on the protocol name. Protocol Navigator display has several features for controlling what parts of the decode is visible. There's frames filtered in and layers hidden from view. Notice that from layers hidden from view, when Modbus is selected, the Modbus data is hidden. It will be revealed simply by selecting the Modbus filter again. The same is true for Modbus RTU. If we would like to view only frames with errors, simply select the Frames with Errors box. The bottom of the window shows the total number of frames, frames filtered in, and frame numbers selected.